Many small business owners are not failing because they lack ideas. They are struggling because they are not tracking the right numbers. Data is not only for big companies. Every entrepreneur should know their sales, expenses, profit, cash flow, customer demand, stock levels, and production output. For example, if you run a farm, a shop, a food business, or a service business, you need to know what is coming in, what is going out, and what is actually making profit. When you track your numbers, you stop guessing. You can see what is working, what is wasting money, where demand is growing, and where your business needs improvement. A simple notebook, spreadsheet, or mobile app can help you record daily sales, costs, and results. Remember this: what you do not measure, you cannot properly manage. Think analytically. Build strategically. Grow sustainably.